Hi everyone, welcome back to Social Boost Strategies. If you're new here, my name is David, and today, I'm excited to guide you through one of the most powerful tools for email marketing, AWeber. In this video, we'll be diving deep into AWeber, a popular email marketing platform that helps businesses of all sizes connect with their audience, automate their email campaigns, and drive more sales. Whether you're a small business owner, a digital marketer, or just getting started with email marketing, AWeber offers a range of features that can help you grow your email list and reach your marketing goals. So, if you're ready to master AWeber and take your email marketing to the next level, make sure to watch this video until the end. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming tutorials. Let's get started by signing up for an AWeber account and setting up the basics.